I'm Stevan.
I'm Marley Rooney.
I'm Jack Ritchie.
I'm Chris Kittle-Park.
Yeah, you didn't want to give out your last name.
I didn't know we're doing real names.
Real name.
It's my middle.
How long have you guys been playing for?
It'd probably be about a year, I'd say so.
Do you guys write together, separately?
I make all the music like myself and play all the instruments.
Typically, Steve sort of brings a song that he's written to us and then sort of just lets us sort of riff over the top and we all just vibe.
You've released 2 singles this year, and what's the response been like?
It's been overwhelming. I feel like people they've been really generous with their ears and with their time, and they're choosing to really dig it.
Thank you guys so much though for your time. Thanks for hanging out with us, and now you guys are gonna play us some songs?
Yeah.
I never knew that she played me on my laptop. Man, that got me so high, 'cause I'm nervous, yeah, I'm nervous. She thinks I'm perfect, but I'm a loser, I'm I'm just a dreamer, what you want, Don't you think a little bit about me sometime, oh, sometime. You really wanna love me sometime, oh sometime. Don't you think a little bit about me sometime, oh sometime. I know you really wanna love me sometime, oh sometime. Oh, you be thinking all the time. You be thinking all the time. You be thinking all the time. Oh, you be thinking all the time. You be thinking all the time. You be thinking all the time. Ooh, understand. My mind and body separated from her hands, A lost boy with a big dream, got nothing it seems to be weighing on. Don't you think a little bit about me sometime, oh sometime. You really wanna love me sometime, oh sometime. Don't you think a little bit about me sometime, oh sometime. I know you really wanna love me sometime, oh sometime. Thinking all the time, you be thinking all the time, you be thinking all the time, all the time. Oh yeah, you be thinking all the time, you be thinking all the time, you be thinking all the time.